on Keepa, there's that tab that you never use, that you've seen it, but you've, like, with time you became blind to it. You actually see it, but you just disregard it. And today I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money by actually using that feature that you are paying for, but that you're not using. So you are paying for it, like, you better use it and try to use it to make some money. So without further ado, that feature is the track product feature. So when you are on a listing and you actually look at a Keepa graph and you look at the tabs, so you have the price history, the track product tab, the data tab, the earn money tab, and the settings tab, and then the eBay stuff, who's nobody cares about. We are going to talk about that track product tab because I'm going to show you basically 2 ways you can use it to make money, to actually find better leads and stuff. And yeah, this is what we're going to talk about today. Before we start, before I go deeper into that, we have a Discord server for this channel. Join it, best place to ask questions, best place to learn new strategies before we even talk about them on YouTube, best place to network with other sellers. So yeah, join the Discord, let's hang out together. So, the track product tab. So it is better, it's my opinion. I found a use case, a really good use case for that tab, and it's for those leads that are okay, that are right below, yeah, let's put it like this, those leads that are right below your criteria. So for example, let's say your criteria is 25% return on investment, that much profit, and you find a lead that used to be good. And this is why I'm saying it's really good with MSRP leads, because you may have found a lead that was really good like maybe 2 weeks ago, that would have been profitable if you had bought it at MSRP, that is selling super fast, but the price right now is not that good. You're gonna make a 15% return on investment. You're gonna add that to your lead tab, to your lead bank, all that stuff, and you're gonna forget about it, right? So with that track product tab, you can actually receive notification whenever like this product reach a certain price, or like you can set a lot of different criteria. So whether it's if Amazon is on the buy box or not, you can use that for Amazon to Amazon flip. We're going to talk about that in the future. I'm still experimenting with that, but what we're going to talk about today is the new price by third-party seller that we are going to track. And let me make sure we can see that on my screen. And the new offer counts. So these are the 2 things that we are going to use in the 2 case scenario that we are going to discuss about today. So this is super great. So I'm going to use first this this product, this lead. It's a lead that I found actually today, and that I realized that I could do that. So as you can see, this is the lead that you can find for this is the lead that you can find that used to be profitable if you bought it at MSRP when it was selling at $43. Right? And the offers, the number of offers went up, as you can see, and the price started to go down. But you need to realize something. The average Amazon seller is dumb, and as let me remove that. And the average Amazon seller also has a really short-term memory, like cannot remember stuff that happened 3 weeks ago. And it's going to be the same thing for you, right? You're not going to remember whatever lead you found 3 weeks ago, because if you follow all my videos, you can find a lot of leads every single day and you make great money, right? So it's possible that this leads, that the price bounce back, it makes sense. And you will see that happen all the time with what I call MSRP leads. By the way, if you do not know why I call this MSRP leads, I have a whole video on the different types of leads, and it's going to show up here. This side. No. I'm not going to be wrong this time. It's this side. Pretty sure it's this side. I'm not going to be wrong. So it's going to show up here. Yeah, you'll be able... I discuss different types of lead. An MSRP lead is basically a lead that you can find, buy it at MSRP without any promotion, without any sales going on, and sell on Amazon and make a profit on Amazon, right? So what you will see with this type of lead is that it goes in cycles. So you will see this happening. So like the number of offers going up a lot and the price going down and the product being barely profitable. Even sometimes like slightly, it will be a small loss. But then what you will see is the price rebounding when the number of sellers go down, if it's a product that sells fast enough, right? So this could happen with this product, and I want to track it. And so what I did is, so as you can see at 43, it's super profitable. And right now it's at 32, and it's like maybe like, I think it was 17% return on investment, something like that. So I skipped this product, of course. But if the price could go back to $40, it would be like, I think it was like 60-70% return on investment. Don't quote me on that exactly. I don't remember the exact number, but like above, like if it reached $40, it would be a really, really, really interesting lead. And so what I did is I just used, let me go here, let me go back here. And what I did is I set an alert right there for the product. This is another product, but I cannot show you how to set an alert on the other one because I already set an alert, so it's not gonna work. But what you can do basically is this. So you're gonna enter the price that, like, if you're gonna receive an alert whenever the price of the item, whenever the buy box price cross a certain threshold, right? So for example, right here, this product is selling right now at $10.34. I want to know whenever when it gets to $15, right? There's a few options right there on the right where you can select a percentage, stuff like that, or the lowest price, like if you want it when it reaches the lower price. And you can either choose if you want to track whenever it goes under that price or over that price. By clicking here, you can switch it, right? So it's a super useful feature. I'm gonna start using it way more, but there's another case scenario that I want to use, that I want to show you, that I actually started using it for today. So this lead right here is a great lead as well. The only thing is that it's not a lead that I found today. Doing reverse sourcing, if you want to find leads every day, check out my videos on reverse sourcing. Yeah, if you want to get better at reverse sourcing, I have a whole lot of videos on that. But this lead, yeah, it's a great lead. The only thing is that you see the number, like the number of new offers rising, but it looks like it's getting pretty much, you know, the trend is starting to reverse. Things are pretty much getting flat at around like the 20 offers mark, right? So what I want to see with this specific lead is I want to see if the number of offers is going to keep rising, because this lead is super profitable and it's super easy to buy a lot of it. So because it's like, whoa, I'm sorry about that. It's like in between wholesale and online arbitrage. It's basically on an arbitrage website that you can do wholesale at, right? So you can buy a lot of, like, you can buy a lot of this item and sell it super fast. So what I want to see is if the number of offers, like if the trend is going to reverse. So we can see that there was an increase, right? An increase on the number of new offer count, and like it's getting a little bit stable. And I want to see if it's gonna start going down a little bit. So if the number of new offers reach at any point 17 new offers, I'm gonna receive an alert on my phone and on Telegram as well, on my emails and on Telegram. So I will know that, hey, whatever I predicted is going to happen. The number of offers is not growing as it was before. Like the supply is pretty much meeting the demand at this point. People cannot stay in stock as long as they like. The number of offers is going down, right? So if that happens, you know, I will receive a notification and I will be able to jump on that listing, make a lot of money. And yeah, use this strategy when you find leads that are not quite as good, but that you see have the potential. Like take like the extra 30 seconds, try to figure out what would be the, what you would need, like what would need to happen for you to actually jump on this lead. For example, for me, it's if the number of new offers, like for this lead, stay the same or goes a little bit down. This is what I want to see. I want to receive an alert, so I'm just gonna purchase. I'm just gonna drop like 1,000, 2,000 on this lead. Same thing with the other one. What I want to see is the price going up. If the price is going up, as it always happens, price do not stay down forever, because people just forget about leads and stuff. If the price goes back up, I'm gonna jump on that listing. Pretty much. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Watch those other videos if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe so we can grow the channel, and join the Discord. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. New video every day at 3 p.m. Thank you for watching.